guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is it. This is the leggings that I made into crop top. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, Jonalyn and the American Guy. Today's video I'm going to show you how to make a crop top using leggings. We're going to make a crop top using a leggings and no sewing because I like crop tops. So I like to play what can I use, what can I do with all my old shirts and turn into something. So today's video I'm going to show you how I made my crop top using my leggings, and that's not required any sewing. So you only need three things, probably two, and one is leggings, and the other one is scissors. But in this video I'm going to have three items to use because I used the leggings, I have a scissors, and I use a marker because I don't want to make mistakes. So now I'm going to show you how to make it, and let's go. And to this video, I'm going to use these leggings to make my project. This is nice and actually very fit for me, but I want to make it to use it as my project. So here you go. Place the leggings on the flat surface like a table. Get your scissors, markers ready, and make sure the leggings is flat and evenly so that we can cut it better and doesn't make mistake. Get your scissors, markers, and mark it accordingly how big you want it, and just cut it slowly. And it's ready to try on. This is it. This is the leggings that I made into crop top, and this is how it looks. So you can either make it longer, or either you can make it shorter like that, and you just pair it with some necklace or something, and it's, yeah, I really like it. This looks very elegant, and you can see it's fitted really well in here, and the cutting is really good. There's a little bit here, but that doesn't matter, we can live with it. But you can see it's perfectly cut, and you actually doesn't need any sewing in it. So if you have old leggings, or you can find leggings and you want to do something about it, this is the one idea that I can give you. And look at that. So I hope you enjoy my video, and see you again next time. But please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Bye.